स्टूडेंट्स, एज यू नो हमने 3 पार्ट ख़त्म कर लिए हैं फाइल हैंडलिंग इन पाइथन के। अब हम पार्ट 4 स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं जिसमें मैं आपको प्रैक्टिकली दिखाऊंगा कैसे हम बाइनरी फाइल को यूज़ कर सकते हैं, कैसे हम CSV फाइल को यूज कर सकते हैं और कैसे उसमें रीड और राइट की ऑपरेशन कर सकते हैं। तो लो अब स्टार्ट करते हैं।
चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और हाँ, बेल आइकन दबाना ना भूलें।
How we can write a binary file using pickle module. For that we need to import pickle module, and we will use dump function for writing instances onto a binary file. So first of all we need to import pickle module. So we will write first import pickle, then the file handle name, the my student1 equals to 110 220 330 440. So you can identify it here. It is a dictionary. So it is an instance that we are going to write onto a file. So we are going to write a dictionary my student1 onto file. So file 1, it is a file handle, and this my student1, it's a variable which is holding a dictionary. Clear, students? Then open student1.log is the name of file. It's a log file which keeps information inside it, and we are opening it in binary write mode because we are going to write onto a file. So WB is written here. It means write binary. Then pickle.dump. As I told you, dump module is, it's a module not. As I told you, dump function is used to write an instance onto a file. So we are writing here. So my student1, it's an instance, it's a dictionary here, and then we are writing it onto a file 1. So here comma will be here. Yeah, let me correct it. Then file 1 dot close. Let's run it. Run module, and then OK. Save it. File 1, and then save. So it's been done. Let's check it in documents whether student.log has been created or not. So let's go in documents. This one, student1.log has been here. Let's check it. So you can see here information has been written, and it's not you cannot understand it because it's a binary format. It's a format that could not be read by human. So it will be further converted to show you. For that we will use another function. So let's read the binary file. Import pickle, and then open the file. Then f1 equals to open. Here we are opening student1.log file is this, and then comma, in which mode we are opening RB. Okay, then enter pickle dot load F1. So it will read student1.log, which is a binary file. So output will be 110 220 330 440. So in this way we can read a binary file. I hope you would have understood it and you can easily do it. So please don't forget to do practice of it. So now we will discuss about CSV file. Students, we have written this code, import CSV. That means we are importing CSV module. As I told you, it's compulsory to import this module to work on CSV file. Now f is here file handle, then file f equals to open v.csv, the name of file that we are going to write. Here we will write a mode, and as we are going to write, so we will use w mode, that means write mode. Then writer equals to csv.writer. That means we are creating an object here of using writer function. Inside writer we will write this file handle f. That means we are going to open v.csv file in write mode. Then writer.write row. By this write row function we will write onto the CSV file, and here it takes only one argument. That's why we have taken here in a form of tuple Rahul 25 Mathura. So in this way we can write onto CSV file. So let's run it. Run module. Okay, and then that means it's been done. So let's check it. So it will be saved in documents. So let's check it. Go in documents, v.csv, it is here. Open this file. It's opening. So you can see here Rahul 25 Mathura. So this CSV file has been opened here. So we are closing, or we are the file, and then we are saving it in CSV file, and it's been opened like this, Rahul 25 Mathura. So that means you have written a CSV file. So one more thing, let's open it with any other software. Let's open it by text edit. So here, now this is the comma separated value. This is the comma separated value, you can see here. So let's zoom in so that you can see it here. So it's about a CSV file. So in this way you can write onto CSV file. So now how we can read it? Now how we can read CSV file? For that I told you. Now let's talk about reading CSV file. Now same here, write R, then in place of writer we will use reader, csv.reader, and here we will use for loop, for row in reader print row. So let's run it, run module, and then OK, save it. Now here you can see it's showing the output in the form of list Rahul 25 Mathura. So it's all about CSV file, how we can write or how we can read CSV file. Thank you.